With a firm belief, Shiksha Hi Dharma Hai, Made Easy Group made a modest beginning in the year 2001. Mr. B. Singh, the founder and the guiding light of Made Easy, is an alumnus of IIT BHU who qualified UPSC Engineering Services Examination thrice, leaving his prestigious job for IES. He laid the foundation of Made Easy in a small room at Bairsarai with just 7 students. With progression of time, it has established itself as India's best institute for UPSC Engineering Services Examination, GATE, and PSU's entrance exams. In the year 2004, Made Easy started distance learning courses, also known as Postal Study Course, with a vision to provide quality education to every student, even in remote areas. Made Easy Publications was launched in the year 2005, which publishes more than 100 titles of books with best quality content for various competitive examinations and have high demand among the students. These books are available at all the leading bookstores and e-commerce platforms. To give pace to exponential growth, a full-fledged corporate office was set up at Educational Hub Kalusarai, New Delhi. Meanwhile, a new center was launched at Noida in the year 2006. To expand its reach and to provide quality education throughout India, Made Easy marked its first step in southern India by establishing a center at Hyderabad in the year 2007. Marching towards the never-ending pursuit of success, again a new center was set up in the year 2008 at Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. After North, South and Central India, Made Easy entered Jaipur, the Pink City of India, in the year 2009. To facilitate engineers to score high in the current affairs, Made Easy launched a magazine titled Current Affairs Made Easy in the year 2010 and also marked presence at Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. As it is said, good works are always rewarded with awards. Made Easy was conferred with Best Institute for Preparation of IES and PSU's award by eminent author Mr. Chetan Bhagat in 2011. Spreading the wings further and to create more success stories, 2 new centers were opened at Bhubaneswar and Indore in 2012. This was also the year when Captains of the Industry Award was presented by the Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, to Mr. B. Singh. With an ardent desire and fervent to work for the upliftment of the underprivileged and needy people, a charitable trust, Made Easy for You, was formed in 2013. The main motto of the trust is to promote education, women empowerment, child welfare and setting up relief camps during natural disasters. Being a believer of environment preservation, Made Easy Group entered into the solar sector in the year 2014. 10 megawatt power plant in Madhya Pradesh and 2 megawatt power plant in Rajasthan were commissioned under the banner of Solar Power Made Easy. Same year, Made Easy received ASSOCHAM India Education Excellence Award, which was presented by Honorable Governor of Gujarat. Made Easy continued its legacy to provide quality education, and a new center was established at Pune in the state of Maharashtra and another center in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, in the year 2015. This year was considered as the Year of Awards, where several awards were added in the basket of Made Easy. Education Excellence Award, Best Result and Best Academic Award, Captains of Industry Award 2015, National Education Excellence Award presented by AICTE Chairman Mr. Anil Sahasrabuddhe. A new chapter was opened at Patna in the year 2016 to cater the demand of the students of Bihar. With prodigious aspirations to bring revolution in education, Made Easy Group entered into formal education sector by establishing Made Easy Preschool in the year 2016. It is spread over 2.5 acres of lush green campus with appropriate curriculum focusing on all-round development of the child. Interestingly, famous Bollywood movie Hindi medium was shot in the campus of preschool. Within a year, Made Easy Preschool was awarded Standalone Preschool of the Year 2017 by Indian Education Congress. In the very same year, Charitable Trust Made Easy for You was awarded for contribution in social development and promoting education by Shri Devendra Fadnavis, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. In the year 2017, Next IAS was launched to address the high demand arising from civil services aspirants to provide same unmatchable coaching guidance and to transform young aspirants into IAS, IPS and IRS officers of future India. At Next IAS, aspirants are groomed by India's top faculties and mentored by former civil servants for each stage of the civil service examination. In 2017, on the occasion of 10th World Education Congress, Quality in Education Award was presented by ABP News and Made Easy publication was conferred with Award for Excellence in Book Production. Moving forward from preschool, a CBSE-affiliated K-12 progressive school was launched with the name Made Easy School in the year 2017. It is spread over 25 acres of campus in the laps of Aravalis with 9 acres of playfield, indoor sports complex, smart classrooms, organic farming, amphitheatre and many such crafted amenities to enable every child to embark the journey to bright future. In the year 2018, Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu presented Champions of Change Award to Mr. B. Singh for bringing remarkable changes in the field of education. Within just a span of 2 years, Made Easy School made a promising presence and strong visibility in the schooling segment and was showered with numerous awards. Times School Survey, Most Innovative School, Best Upcoming CBSE School, Times Education Icons Award, Grand Jury Award in Campus Architecture and Design, Best Upcoming Day cum Boarding School Award, ELDROC India Award for Excellence in Integrated Experiential Learning. Made Easy Prime is an e-learning vertical which was launched in 2020 to provide quality online courses for various competitive exams. Made Easy Prime has made Learn from Home easy. Experienced faculties with interactive pedagogy with latest digital tools, taking the legacy of excellence forward. Made Easy has set benchmark and has consistently produced toppers along with highest number of selections in ESE. Stupendous and unmatched results year after year tells the success story of Made Easy in GATE and other competitive exams. Every year, Made Easy Group organizes meritorious award ceremony to facilitate and honor the success of students in prestigious exams like Civil Services, Engineering Services, GATE, PSUs and other state engineering services exams. These ceremonies are glorified by the presence of famous politicians, eminent civil servants, veteran sports personalities, renowned Bollywood stars and well-known media persons. By the virtue of experienced faculties, hard-working students, dedicated staff and able leadership, Made Easy has become unmatched and most trusted name in the world of education. Beginning from one classroom to establishing various verticals across the country, Made Easy is proudly celebrating 20 years of excellence. Well, this is just a beginning and Made Easy will continue scripting new success stories in coming years.